I'm gonna compare it against the JBL Flip 6 because I think that's quite on the same level, even in terms of speakers and everything. So yeah, please bear with me while I'm connecting this one. Okay, so that's connected as well. So we'll just move around. So I'm gonna go, actually let me just start with in front of it in here. So that's the one playing. I can tell if my body belongs to me. I love everything. Fire spreading all around my room. My world's so bright, it's hard to breathe, but that's alright. Hush. I really like this part, so let's go back a bit, and then we'll put that one just to see what's the difference. The only problem I have with iPhone, I'll try to put it like mid as well. So let's do this. Mid will be exactly let's say in between those two volume buttons. So let me check the other one is the same. To make it fair. Okay, and go back to Luna. Yeah, perfect. So they are the same now. So let's play on the Luna a bit. See how that works. I love everything. Fire spreading all around my room. My world's so bright, it's hard to breathe, but that's alright. Hush. It's hard to breathe, but that's alright. Hush. Devils hide behind redemption. Honesty is a one-way gate to hell. I want it to consumption. Breathe faster to waste oxygen. Hear the children. Very hard to tell. It seems like they both have some bass. I don't know why I feel like this one has more bass and sounds a bit cleaner. But let's just move away 3 meters and see how it sounds in the room. So we'll start with the Harman Kardon, or I'll call it Luna, and the other one Flip 6, yeah? So let's make sure we are on Luna here. So I'll play Luna, then I stop, and Flip 6. And this is with the 50% volume, yeah? Fire spreading all around my room. My world's so bright, it's hard to breathe, but that's alright. Hush. Okay, let's see Flip 6. Sometimes I can't tell if my body belongs to me. I love everything. Fire spreading all around my room. My world's so bright, it's hard to breathe, but that's alright. Hush. let's move to Luna just a little bit. It's kind of impressing me a bit more, Luna. I don't know why. It sounds a bit more stereo, Luna. So I'll just pop up the volume to maximum now. As you could hear that drill. So yeah, I won't play too long because it's quite loud. So Luna. Some days I feel skinnier than all the other days. Sometimes I can't tell if my body belongs to me. I love everything. Fire spreading all around my room. My world's so bright, it's hard to breathe, but that's alright. Hush. Yeah, crazy how nice it sounds. Okay, so now we move to JBL Flip 6. Let's play the same section, loud, maximum volume. Those profanities. Some days I feel skinnier than all the other days. Sometimes I can't tell if my body belongs to me. I love everything. Fire spreading all around my room. My world's so bright, it's hard to breathe, but that's alright. Hush. Okay guys, I think that's enough. My conclusion is they both sound really good. If you have any of this, you won't really know the difference. But when you have them both, in my opinion, when this is at maximum volume, it kind of lowers down the bass more than this one. But in terms of highs and mids, they're still quite the same. I really like the sound of that coin or whatever it is. But this one keeps a bit more bass at high volume than this one. So yeah, it's more like, you know, it depends on the taste, you know, in music. You know, what I can hear, maybe, you know, it's not what I like, maybe it's different than what you like. So you have to make your own opinion. So this is just a sound test. Hopefully it will help you. So yeah, thank you for watching. If you liked it, please give us a like, subscribe and comment, and tell us what would you like me to compare it against. You know, I have other speakers that I can use. So yeah, thank you for watching.